Helpful, I did a full breakdown here for you on this RC truck that I got off of Amazon. Show you the quality of this thing and how well it actually works and everything that it comes with as well. So first off, I was really happy with the looks of this out of the package. It does have some lights up front just to kind of turn off so you can see. You have the grill lights and kind of some in the windshield there. Love the looks of it, really mean looking. The tires that it comes with are all like inflatable tires. You don't have to put air in them though, but they're super nice and soft, so you can go over like different kind of terrains. You can see the suspension. Tons of suspension on both the front and the back there. And you can see how much suspension there is, and you have a little wheelie bar right there as well. It does come with some extra 2 tires right here, in case you need to replace these, and you get a whole set, there's 4 of them, of these paddle tires as well. So you can use it in sand or like beach, snow, that kind of stuff. You can switch it out. It's only 1 quick bolt right there on each to switch out. So loved that. This body here, you do get an extra body. Just know that. You get a red one as well. Switches out super easily. There's just these little pins on the 2 on the front, 2 on the back. Pops right off and you can change it in seconds. But I've been using this. I'm going to show you in a second me using it, doing tons of flips, it rolling and stuff, and the body is barely scratched up at all. I couldn't believe it. You can kind of see a little bit of scratches here, some on the corner, but I used the heck out of this thing and the body is still in great shape. No cracks or anything like that. So really happy with the quality. It does have like a roll cage on the inside and 2 people with helmets you can see sitting in there. Super realistic looking all the way around. I want to show you all of it there. And then here's the remote that it comes with. Super happy with this thing too. Nice like grip on the actual steering left and right. You have forward and back. And it does have 3 different speeds. So there's high, medium, and low. The reason I love that is if you're on high, it does really high wheelies, and I'll show you that in a second. But you can put it on low to kind of just practice, or if you have younger people using it, just to kind of get used to it. And there's a medium as well. So the high is really fast, low is a little bit slower, so you can kind of mess with it. And then on the front here, you have the on and off switch. And you do have adjustments that way of the steering. So if it's kind of steering to the left or the right, you can adjust that. So works great there. It also does come with 2 batteries, so you can charge one while you're using one. Charger, it comes with some extra parts if you break any. I haven't yet. And then again, a set of these tires. See, this thing works awesome. It's super fun to use, whether again for adults or even children or something like that. I absolutely love it. Was very impressed with the quality of it. Hope this helps anyone looking at these.